I'm Marianne Quintana, and today is April 7, 2019, and I'm here to show you how to record or get your tidal volume. So what is a tidal volume? Tidal volume is the exchange of gases, is the volume of gases exchanged while at rest. So make sure that we will be needing equipments or items in this particular experiment, so make sure that you have your measuring tape, and then you will also be needing a balloon, a deflated balloon, and then a timer. So first, what you're gonna do is you're gonna measure your breathing. You're gonna obtain your breathing in 30 seconds. So make sure that you sit quietly, you should be relaxed, and timer stop in 30 seconds. So I have my timer here, and then I'll set it to 30 seconds, and then I'll be counting how many breaths I have in 30 seconds. So when you count, you will be counting your inhalation and exhalation, and that's considered as one. So let's begin. So after 30 seconds, you have to record that, and I got 8. Okay, so you'll be doing it 3 times, and then after you do all the 3, after you do that, you're gonna be, for the first set, after the first breath, you have to measure or blow into the balloon. So make sure that you have the balloon with you, and you breathe into that. Start over. Okay. So make sure first that before you begin blowing into the balloon, make sure that you have already stretched that, and that way you can get the full capacity of the balloon without stretching it or popping it or something like that. So after you go into the balloon, you're gonna, since it's an egg shape, so make sure that you put it in a flat surface, and then you're gonna measure it. So make sure that you measure it by measuring the circumference of the balloon. So what I obtained is 52 centimeters. So you will be doing it 3 times as well. So the same thing, you have to measure or get your 30 seconds, the breath that you obtained within 30 seconds. And then you're gonna be also, after that, you're gonna be blowing into the balloon. So I'm gonna show you what I have based on the experiments that I have already done earlier. So the first respiration that I got in 30 seconds is 8, and the next one is 7 and 7. So you have to get the average of the 3 trials, which is you get the result, and then divide it by 3. And then to get the average number of breaths per minute, you have to multiply this answer, or the average of 3 trials, by 2. And then when you measure, to measure the tidal volume measurement, so you have to do it 3 times as well, and then you get the average by adding the 3, and then divide it by 3. And then to get the resting vital measurements, you get the radius of all the 3 of the balloon, the measurement that you get, by calculating the average radius of the balloon by dividing the average of circumference from average of trials, and then divide it by 2 pi or 6.28. So the answer is 8.39 or 8.4. And to get the volume is you get the equation is 4 pi r cubed divided by 3. And so that's the answer. Thank you.